Welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we will be replacing the battery door on a sprayer. Feel free to pause the video now to review the steps before we begin. For this video, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a new battery door or battery door assembly. To remove the existing battery door, take the screwdriver and loosen the screws securing the bumpers on either side of the spring and rod. With the bumpers loose, you can now remove the battery door assembly. If your new battery door did not come with a spring and rod, take it from the existing battery door. To assemble the replacement battery door, place the spring in between the slots for the rod. Make sure the hooks are in the pockets of the battery door. Then, carefully slide the rod in place through the slots of the battery door and the spring. Place the battery door assembly onto the front cover plate and secure with the bumpers and screws. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions about your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can email us at support@wessel.com or call us at 803-339-2500. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for product updates and other instructional content.